So the next thing we will need to do is head over to the booking page here. Now here is where you need to upload your business banner, so let's check the business banner. I'm just using this as an example. This was one of the brands I worked for and how I did the customization. Now it's showing this way. You can choose to upload your business logo. So good, let's go over to logo. You can choose to use this one, and that is it. So the business logo has been updated. I'm just using this as an example, and the booking URL for your business name, you can also change it here, and you can select if you are a barber or a hair. This works the same for a barber or a hairstylist. Select the currency depending on the country you are in, but I think this will automatically be set up for you, and put in your business information. Now you have to add in a booking policy, and this is how you do it. For cancellation time, you can say customer can cancel 6 hours. You put it in here. Scheduling window, I'll leave this. Booking slot, how often should available booking slots appear? So in between 15 minutes, so which means you have 15 minutes to prepare, and you can make it 10 or anywhere, anyhow you want it to be. Now so I leave this as normal. Now the next thing you need to do is to sections. This is nothing, you don't need this. If you need your customers to log in, that is very, very important, because what will happen is you'll be able to collect their information, but you can choose not to allow customers to log in and people can actually book you. Or you can leave customer login and make it not to be required. So required means that someone that needs to book an appointment with your business must create an account, but it can be a choice. So that is it. And then the next thing is you have to be on Pro Plan to be able to hide Setmore branding. So book new appointments can also be shown after they've booked a new appointment. And so this one will be able to direct customers to your earliest appointment. The one, if an appointment is by 12 o'clock and the customer is coming in to book an appointment by 9 o'clock in the morning, so what will happen is the appointment closest to that time will be the one that will be showing to them. So I will leave every other thing like this and move on. Now the next thing is time format, good. Week starts on Monday, good. Leave this as default. So if you have terms and condition link, you put it here and you label it terms and condition. So you say terms and condition, and you leave it as and you put link, you say Google. This shouldn't be the link, but if you have a terms and condition link, I do that, but I'm not going to explain that because this is a quick freebie. And if after customers have visited your website, now you can redirect them to any of these. You can redirect them to your Instagram, redirect them to your Facebook. So you can put in instagram.com/ you put in the business name you want. So let me say yours assistance, and that is it, and you hit save. So this is everything about customization of your booking page. Now for payment,